This is the first session of business analysis, where we are going to talk what exactly the business analysis is, how the analysts work, what are the roles of the analyst, how in a real-time world, on a day-to-day, the business analysts work, and what are the deliverables associated with that. But again, this session is more from the introductory side of it, so we are going to see what are the things you should know before we start aggressively looking at the deliverables or any other items which business analyst is responsible for. Now the objective of this session, as we see, the objective of this session is to create an overall understanding of the business analyst roles and the responsibility. So towards the end of the session, you will be able to understand what you as a business analyst should be doing on your day-to-day work. Moving on. As we see here, as part of this session, we are going to talk about just a very high level, not in very detail, what exactly the International Institute of Business Analyst body is, because the business analyst role and the processes are governed by the IIBA, and they have a rule book which is the business analyst body of knowledge. That's what it is. But again, this is just the guideline, nothing more than that. You can have the advancement in the business analyst when you go for the certification, but again, this training is more for the job side rather than the certification side. Then we will have what is business analysis. We'll introduce you with that, why the composition and the architecture is an essential thing for business analyst role, what are the different roles and responsibilities they have, and why do we need, what happens if the business analyst is not there, and then who is considered as a core business team, or during the project you can consider as a core project team.